Welcome to the March 23rd, 2020 edition of Wardy's Creative Writing Screencast. Really, 2 minutes or less, learning about descriptive language so we can show our readers narratives. It's a quick review this week. Again, quick review of stuff we've kind of worked on, but I want you to focus on them a little bit more, kind of master our skills in these areas. So, remember, write with the senses. Really let the reader see what you see, smell what you smell, the sound, what's the scene taste like if there's like food or something, touch, what's it feel like. You write with the senses. So how do you do that? A couple different things I want you to focus on in today's writing. Adjectives, adverbs. Adjectives, words that describe nouns. So you have, gigantic, the gigantic bald spot on Wardy's head. Lucky, he's lucky that he's an Eagles fan, or his dad might have disowned him. Kind of kidding there. Heroic. There's a lot of heroic people right now actually working in healthcare, first responders, with everything going on in the world. And by the way, sorry for the very poor lighting down here. I got to work on that. So words that describe nouns, use adjectives. Show the reader what is happening in the scene. The yellowish letters are ugly. Yellowish, ugly, both describe what? The letters. Letters are person, place, thing. They're a thing. It's a noun. Yellowish, ugly, adjectives. It's better than just saying the letters are ugly. Well, what kind of letters? Oh, yellowish. Yes. By the way, yellowish. This is an ugly color. I get it. All right. In addition, adverbs. How are people doing things? Where are they doing it? In what manner? The ball rolled down the street. How did it roll down the street? It rolled violently down the street. I got 3 seconds left, so remember, adjectives, adverbs, show the reader what you write today, and Wardy is out of here.